Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can remove and edit page break in Microsoft Excel. To see page breaks, first from view, go to page break preview. You see I have page breaks, this one and this one. That's all are page breaks. Now if I want to remove this horizontal page break, just select a cell below it, then from page layout, go to breaks, remove page break. You see I directly removed this horizontal page break. For example, I want to remove this vertical page break. Again, select a cell beside it, then from page layout, go to breaks, remove page breaks. You see now I have this page break. If you want to remove all together, just from page breaks, reset all page breaks. Okay, you see now I have downsheet page breaks. This downsheet page break are automatically, you can't remove it. You just have ability to edit, to change their location. As you see here, whenever you change it or edit it, directly dashed line convert it to solid line. To see a normal preview again, just from view, go to normal view. That's all. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.